This is a Seiko Kinetic Watch, and this is how you're going to get it going if it's idle, if it's not moving anymore, and you have had it sitting in a closet or in a drawer somewhere and it's not working anymore. This is what you're going to do in order to get it going. I usually grab it by the strap here, put my fingers in here, and you're just going to start. I know it looks silly, but this is exactly how you get going. I know this because I had this sitting for quite a long time. It wasn't going anymore. Grab it and you're gonna keep doing this motion, and you'll hear it. You hear the mechanism inside spinning, and that charges it back up and it gets going. Now if it doesn't get going, it means you need to replace the capacitor, which is a whole another video. I'm not gonna get into it, but here are some bonus things for you. So if you want to change the date, all you have to do is pull the crown one time, and then you're just going to change the date this way. It only goes forward. It doesn't seem to want to go backwards, but so we're going to go forward. Today is the 10th, so let's go to that right now till we reach the 10th. Okay, so now we set the date, and then to change the time, we just want to pull it one more time so it's out this far. Okay, and once you do that, the watch stops, and then we're just gonna move it to where the right time should be. So let's just say it's 5 o'clock, and then once you're ready to go, then you can just push the crown back in. Now if you're gonna let the watch sit idle and you don't want to waste the capacitor that's inside of it, you just want to make sure that crown is pulled open. But if you're gonna wear it and you're gonna use it, just push that in, and as you can see, it's ready to go. It's moving, it's ticking, and that's exactly how you get the Seiko Kinetic Watch to start ticking again.